Good morning. My name is Tasha, and it's a pleasure to stand here before you, being able to represent our marketing department. Today, before diving into our topic at hand, I would just like to ask who here likes Tony Stark? Yeah, I love Tony Stark too. On the stand. If you guys could think of one thing that makes Tony Stark so special, what would it be? The suit? Yes, definitely the suit. For me, I think it's Jarvis. His just an intelligent, a rather very intelligent system. Or that's what Tony Stark called him. That's what Jarvis stands up for. But Jarvis, I love Jarvis so much when watching the movies because it was as if he could always carry his best friend in his pocket. He was always there when he was in a hurry or when he was about to implode. Jarvis would always be there in control of his system, of his suit. Now, I never knew how Jarvis could do this. And Jarvis could do this because he was a computer system that was downloaded into his suit. Jarvis is what we now call AI, artificial intelligence. According to IBM, artificial intelligence is also known as AI, is a technological advancement that allows computers and machines to mimic human intelligence and intellect and problem-solving skills. So instead of Tony Stark hiring a person and taking him in wherever adventures Tony Stark ended, he had a software system that he could carry on his phone, in his suitcase, in his glasses, wherever, because that's just what AI does. It comes in various platforms, it could be downloaded in various softwares, and like Tony Stark, he could even wear it on his glasses. AI, though, isn't just something that multi-billionaires like Tony Stark can use. It's a resource available to anyone in need or want of AI because it's so dynamic in its uses in the workforce. It's something that anybody can use and it's available to a lot of people. AI can be used in a plethora of avenues and manners, like Tony Stark, as an example, how he used it in his classes or in his suit. And now, even in real life, we could still use it in our computers, phones, even TVs. And that's what's so great about it, because it comes in a plethora of different manners that can be used, and different softwares that can be downloaded to. According to Salesforce, AI can gather data-rich insights on a fraction of a time. AI is crucial for data analytics and performance evaluations, enabling marketers to monitor campaign effectiveness. So instead of spending hours gathering data on our customers and clients that attended said event, AI can calculate all that data in a second. Another thing that AI can be used for in the workforce, it would be to understand the target audience better. Before advertising campaigns, we usually have surveys sent out to fully understand the demographic and psychographics of our target audience. But with AI, it can enhance customer understanding by analyzing social, behavioral, and sales data, enabling better message focus and anticipating their requirements for future advertising campaigns. Another way that it can be useful in the workforce would be streamline operations. AI is crucial in modern marketing strategies, enhancing efficiency and reducing operational inefficiencies. Also, freeing up more time for strategic action. So, whenever there is a brainstorming session and we hit a wall, which happens a lot, that's why we have brainstorming sessions and that's why we have other people that help us. AI can bring into the table millions of possibilities of approaching an advertising campaign, a product, a service in many different areas. The brainstorming session would still be active, but AI would bring all of these ideas in which we would be able to choose which ones we prefer that we think our clients would like best. We can benefit from these resources in our organization by slowly incorporating AI technology as part of office software. Before, though, jumping into applying it into our office software, we have to ensure that the data quality from the AI that we're receiving is good quality, and that means investing in good quality AI. Just as to think if you were investing in a good quality app, same with AI. The more that you invest in a good quality AI, the better the data that you will get. Also, identifying areas of operation in the advertising campaign that actually need AI is an important factor. We don't want to replace AI for our advertising campaign, for AI to do all the work. We want to implement AI to specifically shorten the times for data collection and analytics. That's the main part that we would be using AI for. And before any of this could work, our team has to be trained in AI training modules where we learn how to ethically use AI. Transparency and customer adaptiveness while using AI is priority. Before fully adapting AI into our department, we've created these useful pointers that will help maintain a responsible, ethical, and compliant use of the resources on a daily basis. So, according to Nova Computer Solutions, an essential part of a policy is stating the policy's objectiveness in the areas it covers, such as its implementation and use. Also, its ethical use. Our policies should ensure fair and unbiased AI use, avoiding discrimination, harm, and promoting transparency, respect for the user, and also informed consent. And finally, monitoring accountability. Our policy should establish procedures for maintaining AI systems' performance, adhering to ethical guidelines, and ensuring compliance with regulations while assigning clear responsibilities for AI usage. AI is this new era resource that we can now effectively use by putting in place these policies, knowing that we have set limits, goals, limitations, and ethic boundaries that should not be crossed. Once understood that AI will help us reduce times by understanding and processing all the analytics from our clients, from our public, from our customer base, we will be able to focus more on our main issues, which is outreach and new ways of outreach and creating more advertising campaigns and just focusing more on our community, while AI does the calculating work and we can use that data to implement it in our creative strategies. And we could also use it to formulate or give us ideas for creative strategies. Let's move into a new era of problem solving and efficiency with AI. Thank you.